Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by gathering essentials and opening settings right away. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Find My. You don't need Face ID to continue. Enter your device passcode when prompted and prepare to enter your Apple ID password. If you can't, pause and get that credential. Once done, make sure the device is online so changes sync. This first step disables the immediate lock controls in your account and prepares the handset for the deeper removal steps that follow. You'll now remove the stolen device protection from the account side so the phone can be erased. If unlocked, disable Find My directly in Settings and enter your Apple ID password. If the phone is locked or offline, sign in to iCloud. From a browser, open Find iPhone, select the device, and choose Remove from Account after erasing. If you can't access the device, put it into recovery or DFU mode and restore via Finder or iTunes. This clears software locks, but won't remove activation lock without the account step. Finish by erasing the device and setting it up as new once Find My is confirmed off. You'll sign out of iCloud and restart the phone. If activation lock still appears at setup, don't try random workarounds. Contact Apple support and provide your proof of purchase and serial or IMEI for official removal. If you're locked out of the Apple ID itself, use Account Recovery at iForget. Apple, or request support. Once resolved, make sure the protection toggle stays on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.